In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change landing page titles in MailerLite. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to MailerLite. Then sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look for the Sites section in the left navigation menu. Click on it, and you'll see all your websites and landing pages listed there. This is where you manage everything related to your landing pages, so it's good to get familiar with it. Now, browse through the list and find the specific landing page whose title you want to change. Once you've located it, click on the page name, and then select Edit to open the page builder. This is the main editor where you can make changes to the content and design of your landing page. Inside the editor, you'll need to find the main page title or headline, which is usually displayed at the top. Click directly on that text to select it. From here, you can delete the existing title and type in your new one. This is the text that visitors will see on your live page, so make sure it's clear and compelling. You can also format the title by adjusting settings like font size, font style, alignment, and color. These options help you match the title to your brand's look and feel. After editing, take a moment to review the title carefully for spelling, grammar, and branding consistency. If you have any subtitles or descriptions that reference the old title, it's a good idea to update those as well so everything stays consistent. Next, open the Page Settings panel, if it's available, and update the internal landing page name. This is the name you see inside MailerLite, and it helps you stay organized across multiple pages. It doesn't affect the live page, but it's great for your own workflow. Now it's time to preview your changes. Use the preview feature to see how the updated title looks. Make sure to check both the desktop view and the mobile view because titles can sometimes wrap or get cut off on smaller screens. If everything looks good, click Publish or Republish to make the changes live. Finally, open the published URL and confirm that the new title appears correctly on the live page. And that's it. Your MailerLite landing page title has been successfully updated, and visitors will now see your new title every time they land on your page. Thanks for watching, and happy building.